prove that root 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a is equal to secant a plus tan a. Take the LHS. Root 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a. Multiply both the numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin a. 1 plus sin a is equal to root 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a, that is 1 plus sin a whole square, divided by, this is a minus b, a plus b. So a square minus b square, 1 square minus sin square, that is equal to, you separate the root, that is root 1 plus sin a whole square, that is divided by root 1 minus sin square a is equal to, we can write it as a cos square a. So cancel the root, square and square root. We are left with a 1 plus sin a divided by cos a. You separate it, that is 1 divided by cos a plus sin a divided by cos a. You know that 1 by cos a is equal to secant a plus, again sin a by cos a is equal to tan a. That is the RHS.